Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok live option not showing up. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go open your TikTok application first. Sign into your account if necessary. In order to go live on TikTok, you'll need to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, and from the options below, select Live. If you don't see the live option from the recording screen, it's likely because your account has not met the requirements necessary to access the live stream feature yet. In order to go live on TikTok, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers to access the feature. The age minimum for TikTok in general is 13, and you'll need to be at least 16 years old to go live on TikTok. If you meet all these requirements, then you can easily go live on TikTok and receive virtual gifts from your viewers. That was the reason why you could not go live on TikTok. If you've mistakenly typed in your age incorrect during the sign-up process on live, you can go to TikTok Support Center and type in your problem so that TikTok will help you in resolving the issue. In order to gain followers on TikTok, go ahead and post those videos, share your contents, and try to be active on TikTok. Engage with more people and try following more people on TikTok in order to gain those followers so that one day you'd reach to your target and get yourself that live stream button. That was the reason how you are not being able to use the TikTok live option on TikTok and its dedicated fixes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.